Looking for synthetic indices from Deriv on TradingView, you won't find them directly there, but don't worry. I'll show you the exact way to access them. It's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, you cannot see synthetic indices in the TradingView app, so instead go to deriv.com using your browser. TradingView doesn't support Deriv's synthetic markets natively. Next, sign into your account on Deriv. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create it in just a few clicks. Then click Traders Hub located in the top right corner of your screen. This is where all the trading platforms are located. After that, open Deriv Trader from the available options. This is the platform where synthetic indices are fully accessible. Finally, in the dashboard, just click the drop-down under the Derived section and select Synthetic. You'll now see all the synthetic indices like Volatility 75, Boom and Crash, and more. And that's how you find synthetic indices from Deriv without needing TradingView. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and practical guides. See you next time!